these solutions provides a significant opportunity towards combating climate change. At Varaha, we are committed towards these solutions and invest in methodologies and technologies that help us by working with smallholder farmers not just to improve their income but for carbon sequestration as well. One such technology which I would like to highlight is enhanced rock wearing by ARW. Varaha is very uniquely positioned with its ERW technology as just providing globally this technology and the carbon sequestration from it at the lowest cost possible through its strategic partnership with various independent traps. ERW as a technology not just has positive impact on the livelihood of the farmers or combating climate change, it also benefits the farmers greatly in terms of other aspects such as their crop productivity, reduction in the need for fertilizers through increased alkalinity within their soils. In the upcoming sections, our farmers will talk about these benefits in greater detail.
विगत करीब 30 वर्षों से खेती कर रहे हैं। रासायनिक का प्रयोग भी कर रहे हैं लेकिन रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है।
मैं विगत 10 वर्षों से कपास और मिर्च की खेती कर रहा हूं और उसमें हमें काफ़ी चुनौती आ रही है, जैसे उर्वरक, कीटनाशक और फर्टिलाइज़र, इनका खर्च काफ़ी फसल करने में जा रहा था।
An enhanced rock weathering consists multiple steps or multiple project lines. First of all, we have to select the project area and we have to collect the samples out of it.
एक गड्ढा करते हैं, वहाँ से हम सोइल सैंपल कलेक्ट करते हैं। ऐसे ही 5 गड्ढे करते हैं, 4 कोनों से, एक सेंटर से। ये हमने 5 जगह से मिट्टी को इकट्ठा कर लिया है। इसको हमने एक पेपर पर डाल दिया है, इस प्रकार फैला देंगे और इसके 4 भाग कर लेंगे। इसमें से 2 भाग हम अलग कर देंगे तो बचे हुए 2 भागों को हम इकट्ठा कर लेंगे सोइल सैंपल के लिए।
We check the pH, the soil texture and other nutrients of the soil. After that, we move ahead with the land which is suitable for the project. We procure the basalt rock powder from the mine, and after procuring we send that particular rock powder from mine area to the farm area, which is the particular project area. When we got the supplies from the quarry on the project area, we start the weathering. For weathering, we are like using particularly farmers as a laborer for now, and also we are providing job out of it by using laborers as a spreading purpose.
माझं नाव शांताबाई छे न मंगरेक रहना है न मंगरे में काम नहीं मिलता और कई खरगोन जिला है और बोरावा कंपनी में काम मिले और खूब अच्छे लगे।
The third or the fourth is like the reaction phase, when the droplets and the rainwater comes into contact with this particular rock powder. After the overall chain reaction, we start soil sampling again and again. We do it thoroughly and steadily to check what is the reaction going on out of it, what is the carbonates and bicarbonates it's making, and how much CO2 got stuck into it or sequestered throughout the process.
तो हमें वराहा की तरफ से बेसाल्ट के बारे में बताया गया। बेसाल्ट डालने में रुचि तो थी, पर एक मन में थोड़ा सा डर था कि बेसाल्ट क्या चीज़ है, कभी डलवाया नहीं था। पर जब हमारे खेत पे बेसाल्ट डला तो परिणाम आपके सामने स्पष्ट है।
वराहा कंपनी के हमारे कुछ साथी आए, उन्होंने सुझाव दिया कि आपको ये खाद डलवाना है, तो हमने वो खाद खेत पे डलवाया और अभी मतलब रिजल्ट अच्छा दिख रहा है।
आगे भी ऐसा ही रहा तो कम उर्वरक, कम कीटनाशक कम खर्च में हमारी अच्छी फसल उत्पादन आने की संभावना है।
Farmers such as Mohan and Naveen, supported by laborers such as Shantabai, showcase the benefits of our technology in the district of Khargone. We have, as on date, spread 6,000 metric ton of finely crushed basalt rock on 700 acres of farmland, which is benefiting 20 farmers. And by the end of this year, we aim to cover 250,000 metric tons of basalt spreading. This will be made possible with the help of our monitoring technology that is supported by a dedicated team of agronomists, GIS experts, and geologists, and through also the support of our partnership with various independent tribes.